If your Windows 11 File Explorer feels slow, especially on an older computer, don't worry, there is a very easy fix that can make it faster and I will show you in this video. Recently Microsoft added a new feature called preloading to File Explorer. It was supposed to make things faster, but for many users it actually made File Explorer slower and increased RAM usage, especially on an older computer. But the good news is you can fix this with one simple setting changes, and here is what to do.
First of all, open File Explorer, click on these three dots, click on Option. Under the General tab, find Open File Explorer to change it from home to this PC. Hit Apply, click OK. That's it. When File Explorer open to home, it tries to load recent files, cloud content, OneDrive and Microsoft 365 data. All of this take time and slow things down. When you open directly to this PC, File Explorer skips cloud checks and load your local drive instantly, making it much faster.
Try this change and let me know in the comment if your File Explorer feels faster. If this video helped you, then make sure to like, subscribe and share.